So that is what today all want me to clear your doubts.
Hello,
Everybody.
ma'am.
Yes. Hi. And
Ma'am,
in both
and
yes.
ma'am, in science, what will we do?
Science we will be doing magnetism. We have finished magnetism and half skeleton, right? So you will
Yeah.
have magnetism. I will confirm everything with sir, and then I will inform you all about it.
Ma'am,
Okay?
you'll ask the bones names also.
Yes, whatever I have taught you all, I will include everything.
We have to
I
memorize
will tell
all
you
the
all what
bones.
I have taught, and then according to that, you all can prepare yourself. Don't worry, I will help you all. Okay. So today, you all want me to do maths with you all?
Ma'am, let's do science.
Okay.
Science is a bit confusing. The bones.
So then we will do names of the bones only today.
Yes, ma'am.
Hamza. Okay, everybody, please give me your answers. So practice today. Aisha Aga. Aisha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when is the fraction test?
Tomorrow. Tomorrow, as it is, you all
Okay.
have your maths period. Yes. Tomorrow is Thursday, and you all have your
Yes.
maths tomorrow. So you will have fractions. Please, okay. Yeah, nothing. You just practice fractions. I'll tell you all what to do. First, let me finish with science till 11:30. Let us see, and then 15 minutes we will discuss what will come tomorrow in fractions, and what all things you all can practice today. Okay, Aisha, I hope so that I have sent you a picture of the word problem. Aisha, is your problem solved now? Aisha Aga. Okay, and very important point, sir has told that once whose cameras are off, I can minus 2 marks from your paper. Nice, no? So imagine if you are getting full marks, you all will not get full marks because you all don't listen to me.
Ma'am, can I go to
Aisha,
the bathroom?
sorry, what happened, Aisha Aga? Okay, now that everybody is telling, we will continue with science. So I'll continue with science. Hi, Umaira Kasim. Good morning. So we'll just do what we have done from the first, because now you are moving towards your FA2. So I don't want to introduce something new so that you all get confused. Okay. So the first thing is, what do you, 1 minute. I have some issues with my laptop. Yeah. Is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by a skeletal system? Now, without looking at the screen, can anybody explain? Do, don't read what is there in the screen, but I would
Ma'am, can
appreciate if
I
you,
go?
yes, I would appreciate if you explain
Skeletal
what you really mean.
system means ma'am, just a second.
Yes, sure.
Background noise. Ma'am, can I say?
Yes,
Skeletal system means when where there is lots of bones, there are bones and joints, uh, and it helps us to form a whole, to sit, to stand, and keep upright.
okay, very good. Anybody else who would like to try? Umar, Aisha Kazi?
Skeletal system is there are lots of bones, and by joining those bones there is a skeleton, and it helps us to stand and sit.
Very good. Aisha Aga,
Yes,
Hamdan,
ma'am.
would you like to try?
Skeletal system is made up of bones, and it helps us of it has a body structure. um, it helps us to move because of the joints,
Okay.
and it joins all the muscles together.
Okay, very good. Okay. So in simple words, for example, I tell you all what do you mean by skeletal system. What y'all can write is skeletal system is made up of bones. Next, it protects our body. It protects our important internal organs, and it gives a shape and structure to our body. These are 4 points. No need to write now. I'll make notes of this and I'll give it to you within 1 or 2 days. I'll share it in the science Google Classroom so that during your FA2, y'all can refer to that. I have already shared magnetism notes with y'all, right?
Ma'am, science test is also there.
No, tomorrow you only have fractions test, but from the 15th of Feb, you always start with your FA2. Make a note of it, very important. Yeah, I just want a confirmation from everybody that I have already shared magnetism notes with you, right? You all have received it. Check and let me know. If not, then I will share it
Ma'am,
again.
where did you send it? I'll see it today.
In the Google Classroom.
In
If
science?
not, please tell me. I will share it today also. So by mistake, I have not shared it. You all will get it by today. Okay, magnetism, not skeleton. Skeleton, I'll do it by today, this weekend, maybe by Friday or Saturday. Okay. Okay. So in system is made up of bones and cartilage. It gives shape and structure to our body, and it protects our internal organs. Okay. Here, what are the functions of skeletal system? It gives shape and support to our body. It won't protect our internal organs. We have our major internal organs inside the structure of the skeleton, like heart, lungs, stomach, liver. Then you have brain, your kidneys. These all are very important internal organs of your body because they function properly. That is the reason we are surviving. Yes. Next, major muscles are attached to bone and they help them to move. Calcium and phosphorus are stored in skeleton for later use. Calcium and phosphorus makes bones hard. Dozens of a skeletal system. Then I told you there are connective tissues. One is tendons and the others are ligaments. What are they? They are also considered to be the part of the system. Ligaments connect bones to bones and tendons connect bones to muscles. Remember this, okay?
In
Now,
the
skeleton is
child's
divided
body also
into.
there are 200 joints like the adult.
Sorry, I didn't hear you, Zaveriya. As know that in child, there are no bones in an infant.
No.
Okay, so be really infusing, and you know the numbers of joints must be later when they grow. Those two parts, skeleton yeah. Can you see this outer portion of the skeleton?
Skeleton.
Yes.
Now,
Now,
the exoskeleton is all the skull, chest, and vertebral column. It's all the upper part of your body, and then
upper part and the part of your body, center of and the
skeleton is all outside. Like
what do you mean by?
Where's limb, man?
I am asking you all. I have not written limbs. You cannot see limbs. But what do you mean by limbs? LIMBS. whole portion from the shoulder till your wrist. You know that this is your wrist, right? This from here till here, this is your hand. This whole thing is not known as hand. From shoulder till your wrist, this portion is your arms. What are they? Arms. And then from here till your fingers, this portion is known as your hand. Similarly, from the pelvic girdle, that is legs, start from here. Can you see this?
Yes.
Can you see the appendix
Yes.
from here? So from here till your toe, till your
Yes,
foot.
ma'am.
So your hands, your whole arms, and your legs are known as limbs. When I say name any part of your limb, you all can either tell me arm, hand, humerus. You will tell me now
We can see
uterus,
legs.
fibula, legs and arms are known as limb bones. Okay. So all this shoulder girdle, pelvic girdle, your arms, hands, legs, foot, your phalanges, your metacarpals, they all come under appendicular skeleton. And next is axial skeleton, which consists the center of your body, which consists skull, chest, vertebral column. Vertebral column is also known as a vertebrae or spinal cord, which is made up of 33 small bones. Let me just try to play this video. I can give me 1 minute.
Ma'am, can you repeat? I cannot hear you.
1 minute. Just a minute, okay?
Grammarly can help you write quickly and confidently, so you never have to slow down at work. Stay on top of emails, documents, and more. To know about the human skeleton.
Ma'am, I can't see.
Yes, I'm just what I don't know what is wrong with my laptop. I always
Ma'am,
keep it here.
Can
but
I
this
share
I
the
girl
link
come?
with us?
Can I off my video?
One of us will show it.
I always put it first in the PPT, but then when I want to share, no, I cannot. I have some personal problem.
Ma'am,
Can
you
I
share
just
the
go
link
and
in the
come?
chat and one of us will show it.
Here, it is there. Just give me 2 minutes. You all will be able to see it.
Ma'am, can I off my video for some time? I'm going and come.
Okay. But please see the video. Okay. You see the video?
Ma'am, can you?
Yes, I am doing it. I just wanted to confirm that you all can see that. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Can everybody hear me? Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 1 minute.
You know about the human skeleton. What is stronger, steel or human bones? Scientists say that our bones are 5 times stronger than steel. A piece of the size can withstand up to 9,000 kilos. Luckily, they are, because they protect all important organs in our body, like the brain or heart. parts of the body have more bones? Out of 6 bones, 52 are found in the feet and 54 in the hands. More than half of the bones we have are found in our hands and feet. It seems unreal, right? Longest bone of the
See, it is like a quiz. They are telling how many bones are there in our hands and feet. You'll be shocked. You have 52 bones in your feet. Can you imagine? We have 52 bones in our feet and you have 54 bones in your hand. Your hand consists from the wrist and your fingers. Then they are telling which is the longest bone and the small. It is a kind of quiz, so please pay attention.
Ma'am, the longest bone is the leg one and the shortest bone is the
Yes.
ear.
and the smallest.
Yes.
Joins the pelvis with the knee. The smallest bone is the 3 millimeters. How the
So smallest bone is that is your upper leg, your thigh bone, which is known as femur. And you are in the chest and the smallest leg, you are known as stirrup. STIRRUP. Okay.
Ma'am, my internet connection is very low.
Syrup? Of course.
What happened, Aisha Kazi?
I have an internet connection
Right.
problem. Ma'am, I can't hear you clearly.
Who has more bed?
Okay, others, can you all hear me clearly?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. My internet connection
Oh,
is
this
slow.
is the connection. My internet connection.
I tried rejoin.
You're talking about my internet connection, Aisha
No,
Kazi?
she is talking about hers.
Okay. But I'm sure at least you don't see the video, right?
Who has
I
more
can't
beds?
hear you. Your
Husband or a giraffe? Well, no. There's more. The long giraffe neck vertebrae and exactly the neck.
Come on, answer me. Who has baby?
Body is marvelous, don't you think? Goodbye, friends. See you the next.
I want to give a skeleton also. Wait, I'll show you. Wait.
that our thigh bones are more harder than concrete.
Yes, because you know a reason. Because it supports, it holds the whole weight of the body, right? When you sit, whatever, the whole body is taken by, especially by the upper bone of the leg. Just give me 1 minute. You all want to see a real human skeleton? I'll show you. And there is one lady who teaches all the parts. I think so. I've showed you all that video, but I'm not sure.
You have. Ma'am, there is an old lady.
Yes. So that is a real skeleton, you know, and she does it so well. So I'm sure when you'll see that video, if you'll have seen it, I don't understand why y'all didn't learn the names by then. She shows it each and every part of the skeleton. Even she removes the hand from the skeleton. You all know that? Have you all seen that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we have seen the video.
Ma'am, it's down there also on the ninth slide.
Yeah, but I told you know what happens that when I try to play that, no, I'm unable to play it. I don't know what is wrong with my settings. So again, I have to go to YouTube and then again I have to take the video and then insert it immediately when I have to show you. I will just fast forward it so that, yeah.
And I'm quite excited to see all the bones in one.
So this is the
division.
skeleton, you know, which is also kept in the laboratory. When we will go to school, you all will be able to
Yes,
see.
ma'am, I have seen.
Yes, for study purpose. So when it is there, you know, sometimes what happens now, just talking to each other, you all are sitting in your home, I am sitting in my place. And when I just show pictures, of course, pictures make you learn very, I am a visual learner. You know, what do you mean by a visual learner? Until and unless I don't see a video, until and unless I don't see a proper example of what my teachers are teaching me, some things, you know, they are a little difficult for me to understand. So for example, say you have a real skeleton in front of you, like you have it in the laboratories in the school, it
Learning.
makes you more easier to understand and learn. Yes or no?
Picture learning.
I'm sure you are equally interested to know about placement of these bones in our body, which we are going to discuss along with this skeleton. As you know, skeleton, there are two main divisions, axial skeleton.
There are two main categories in the skeleton. We know that. What is it? Axial
Ma'am?
skeleton and
Ma'am,
yes, Samdan.
ma'am, when we go in doctor school, they have real human dead bodies and then they teach us operations on that.
Yes. And I'm sure you all
Ma'am,
have seen in
Ma'am,
that
my
Munna
mother
Bhai.
told that.
Munna Bhai MBBS, ma'am, I saw it in that movie.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
Umar.
ma'am, my mother told that they in means 15 or 14 years you must now the last.
Yes. Now they must be using different kinds of materials to make such skeletons, you know. But when I was in my school, we real skeleton in our laboratory, you know. That is how we learned. But now I don't know for what purpose, but they do not keep they make us then they make us
In terms the vertebral column and the rib cage. As the name indicates, axial means axis. It makes axis of the body, and that is our head, our chest, and the vertebral column. And other divisions which going to pectoral girdle, pelvic girdle, limbs, hind limbs.
see, hind limbs. What are limbs? Your arms and your legs are known as limbs. Now she will tell you all in detail all the names. Please be
Ma'am, we
careful and watch
already
because
saw this
I
video.
will put questions. So Aisha knows all the names of the parts of the skeleton. She'll tell us. Come on,
No,
Aisha.
not all.
No, tell some whatever you know.
Skull, the limbs,
Okay.
the leg fungus.
Phalanges.
Yeah, sorry,
Where
phalanges.
are phalanges found? Tell me, where are phalanges found?
In your fingers, in your toes, and your
Yes.
legs,
Yes.
fingers.
No, not legs, only on your toes, and your finger bones are known as phalanges.
No, means leg fingers, I said.
Yes, toes.
Starting with head, which is part
And
of
also
Ma'am, can I say 5 islands?
And also
Okay,
Yuri, Oina,
Ma'am, skull, spinal cord, rib cage, pelvis, humerus, and
Okay, very good.
You can see the skull here. It has two parts, the cranium.
You know your spinal cord has how many bones?
33.
I put that name, I'm sure everyone going to go mad. Which
Ma'am,
bone
are
is
you
that?
going to give those bones an exam?
Yes, when I thought that is why I show you all video.
All the
Get on
33
thorough with the
bones.
parts of this. We have done half. No, all the 33 bones, most of bones have different kind of names, but I will not do that now because I don't want to confuse you all. So first we will get thorough with what just what we have done so far. You know what is skeleton, what is the function of skeleton? There are two main categories of skeleton, that is axial and appendicular. What comes under axial skeleton? What comes under appendicular skeleton? Which parts are what? Only that much. What we have done so far, I will only put that in the FA2. Okay? Because I don't want that. I'm not starting any topic because I don't want you all to get confused.
Only the main
But
bones.
magnetism, we have finished magnetism completely, so you'll have to be thorough with magnetism. Okay?
Ma'am, only the main bones like legs and the hand and the spinal cord. And what is the biggest one?
Yes, but you'll have to remember which one comes under which kind of skeleton. I may ask anything. I may ask humerus comes in which type of skeleton. So you'll have to write it comes in appendicular skeleton. I can ask comes in which type of skeleton. This bone, your lower jaw bone, which helps us to chew our food, which helps us to eat, laugh, talk, and do all the movement of the mouth. This is the lower jaw. What is its name? We have studied that. Tell me the name. I'll give you all one hint. It starts from M. Aisha? Any idea? Any guesses? Come on, Hamdan, Hamza, try.
Can you repeat, ma'am? I cannot hear you.
I told that this is your lower jaw, right?
Yes.
Where I'm pointing the arrow.
Yes.
Which helps you to eat, laugh, talk, and do all the possible movements of your mouth. Now, it has a name. We have studied that. Can you tell me the name of that lower jaw? It starts from M. It is mandible. What is it? It is known as mandible. Yes.
Ma'am, it was N or M?
M for Malika.
Ma'am, I thought it was N.
No, it is a mandible. Okay. Now, in the whole skull, only this bone is movable. No other bones in your skull is movable. You move your head the way you want? No. Because all these bones are joined to each other. In whole skull. Yes, Aisha, I can hear you now. Are you there? Can you hear me?
Connection is very bad. I can't hear you. Your voice is breaking very much.
You tell me.
Your voice is cracking.
Aisha, try to join from a mobile phone.
Whole skull, only your lower mandible, only that bone is none other bone is movable. And because that bone is movable, we are able to eat our food, we are able to talk, we are able to laugh, we
Ma'am,
are
the
able to do all the
eyebrow,
movement
the eyebrow over here, that one, that
So
can be
actually is not movable.
Ma'am, we can move our eyebrows, no?
But that is still bone. You can move your skin, you can't move the eyebrow bone. If you touch
Priya,
eyebrow, your
can we
skin,
mute?
if you try to move eyebrow up and down, only your skin will move up and down, not the bone. Try that, okay, Zaviria?
14 bones in the facial
Ma'am, I tried removing
are
mandible.
done by
Yes.
facial. Facial bones are meeting this. This is the lower jaw. You will be surprised to know that this lower jaw is part of skull, a continuation from skull to jaw which is movable. The upper jaw is not.
Okay, sometimes anybody note, and I don't tell to notice on purpose. Sometimes what happens if anybody has experienced a toothache, if your tooth paining very badly, it also affects your head. Yes? Has anybody experienced that?
Ma'am, we get a bad
Ma'am,
head.
her head pains a lot when she has lots of teeth problems. So her head also pains a lot.
Yes. You know what happens? Because your upper jaw and your facial bones, they all are connected to your skull. That is what that teacher, that lady is telling us, that all these things are connected. That is why sometimes what happens, if your also paining, you get a you feel a kind of irritation in your head as well. And if your tooth is also paining, your head also sometimes feels, or you feel
Ma'am,
very tired.
if we move the jaw, no, it pains
Yes, because
a lot.
all bones are each other. That is why when your lower jaw pains or your mind, okay, Hamza is in a very chill mood, you know. I sometimes get confused listening to me. Is he enjoying, or is he in a very party mood? Hamza, tell me
You said
what. Hamza is all the time, dancing and giggling, laughing. So I get very, sometimes I get confused. Is he listening to me or no? But very good. You have to keep smiling. Very nice. Yes. So when you have a very bad toothache, when your tooth pains, your teeth pains, your head also tends to pain at times, or you feel your head very heavy. That is because all the bones are interconnected. They all are joined to each other. That is why your head also gets disturbed when you have a toothache. Okay.
Movable. Try to masticate something. An eye socket. Their eyeballs are kept. The eyeball completely fits into this, and you can see only the exposed part of the eye.
Now this is
You
just
can
the
also
exposed
see
part of your
a
eye.
small hole here.
You don't have bones inside your eyes. You have the rest of the things which covers your eyes, what you have right now. But this is the exposed part of your eyes.
Through which the auditory canal goes. It is here. You can see the arrangement of teeth.
ma'am, that is a real human.
Yes.
Coming to second part of exoskeleton,
Yes.
is vertebral column. Vertebral column begins here, continues. You can see this part, and now it will continue further. I will see this from this side and as well as this side. This is all vertebral column, and there are 26 vertebrae in our vertebral column. First one is atlas vertebra, on which the head is resting. It is a very delicate junction and very delicate part of our body. The last part of brain, you remember brain is here, and the last part of brain, the medulla oblongata, or hindbrain continues as spinal cord and runs through vertebrae. That means the hind part of brain will run through the atlas, then other vertebrae. For that, each vertebra has a special arrangement. Children, you can see the processes coming here on the back side also. And in the center, there is a canal. Through that canal runs our spinal cord, and see what nature has provided a kind of protection for soft spinal cord, which is running from this point up to this point. And it is covered by these vertebrae on all the sides. Why do we have so many small pieces of bones called vertebrae in our backbone or in our vertebral column? So that
Okay, I stop here because we just have 5 minutes left. So tomorrow, what you all will practice today is, oh, how sweet. Who is this? Your brother, Umar?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi. What is his name?
Ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So what you all will practice today is in fractions. You all know what is 1/4, 2/4, 3/4 and everything, right? So if I give a picture and if I color some shade, you know how to represent it in fractions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, you must know
Yes.
how to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction, how to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. Then you must know addition in fractions. If you have like fractions, their denominators are same, then you can easily add the numerator. But if their denominators are not the same, then they are not like fraction. Then what you have to do, you have to take the LCM and make the denominator same, and then you can add. Okay? After that,
Ma'am, we need to do that in the we need to represent how we solve the question, or we just
yes,
need
the
to do it like
working
in a
column. You
rough
all can
work
make
and
a
write
working
it
column
down.
also, and I have to see that also. Like, in the school, what we used
Okay,
to do,
sir.
we have a book. So we used to make a small column for working. So you all can make that working column also. Okay?
My working column is like it's all scratches and everything. So you won't be able to understand it nicely.
That is what I'm telling you all. See, I'll show it to you all. Give me 1 minute. I don't want to waste tomorrow time because I want you all to take your time to complete your work. Now, where is my book gone? Oh God, I am so sorry. Give me 1 minute. Okay. Now see here. Now suppose this is my page. Okay. This is my page of the book. I'm going to do all the sums here. Yes, in the center or maybe wherever you all have placed. What you all can do is, you all can just take your pen and you all can draw a line like this at the side. Here, can you all see this line? So here, over here, you all can do all the working. You all can do multiplication, addition, taking the
Ma'am, I
LCM.
do that every time. Ma'am, I do that every time. Ma'am, rough work.
Yes, very good. Okay.
Malika
Make a
ma'am.
point that you'll do that.
Malika
So
ma'am,
tomorrow, when you'll do it in a paper, make sure you'll make a column. And then at this, you all can solve your sums here neatly, step by step. And over here on this side, you all can do all your rough work. For example, your addition, your multiplication, your LCM, whatever you all feel like, you all feel confused, counting, you all can do your working there. Okay?
if it will be all scribbly and
It's
it
fine.
will be okay.
No problem. Absolutely fine. But I must understand what you all have done. Now, scribbling does not mean like a small 3 or 4 year kid, you all can't scribble.
No ma'am,
like that.
if it
But yes,
overlaps. The overlap.
no, that is absolutely okay. To be more neat in your working also, make sure when you all do a multiplication, be careful. Think 2 times what tables you all are doing so that it will avoid doing more of messy work. Okay? Okay, so you know that if
Okay.
your fractions are like fractions, you all can easily add also and you all can easily subtract also. But if they are not like fractions, if the denominator is not same, you have to take the LCM, make the denominator same, then only you can add and multiply. Then the multiplication is very easy in fractions. The denominator of one fraction gets cancelled with the denominator of the other fraction. We have
Yes, ma'am.
yesterday done one example. I've sent a detailed picture of it to Aisha Aga. I hope so. All your doubts are cleared now, Aisha. I did that specially
Yes.
for you. Okay. Then we don't carry out division in fraction. If you have division, what happens? The other side gets reciprocal. It becomes upside down. And then you have to carry out multiplication as you do in your regular. And then
Okay,
finally
ma'am.
comes your
Division of
word problem.
fractions will be there in
Okay,
our
ma'am.
test tomorrow.
Ma'am, what
Sorry.
about ascending, descending?
No, I will not keep ascending and descending now. Let me see how you all do other sums. I'll keep a simple paper.
Reciprocal will come in the exam.
Yes, I may put.
But reciprocal
Reciprocal you
will
have to
just
carry only when there is division, Javeria. Because usually in fraction there is no division. So whenever you any two fractions where you have to divide, what you have to do is the other side gets upside down. That is reciprocal. If in case you're, I'm not sure whether I'll put tomorrow or no, but if in case I put and you all don't understand, it's okay. You all do what you all understand, and then I will solve that paper again for you all, so you all will understand better how to carry out division also. Okay. And then
Okay, ma'am.
finally,
Thank you.
your word problem. Please read your word problem 2 times, 3 times. I tell all my children, not only you, my other batches also. I tell them, don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a race to complete your paper. You all have a lot of time. You all will have 40 minutes time. Okay. So you all be ready with your paper, pen, book, your mobile, everything. As soon as you all finish your test, you all are going to take a screenshot and you all will upload it in the Google Classroom. Okay. Now I've already exceeded 2 minutes from your class. Bye everybody. Wish you all the very best. Practice well and do well tomorrow in your exam.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Bye.